Hello everyone, welcome to day 11 of our 15 days AWS challenge. We have made it this far. Now let's test your AWS knowledge with today's MCQs. Question 1. Which AWS service provides encryption key management with centralized control? A. AWS Secrets Manager. B. AWS KMS. C. AWS Shield. Or D. Amazon Macie. The correct option is B. AWS KMS. Question 2. Which AWS service provides managed intrusion detection and vulnerability scanning for EC2 and ECR? A. Amazon Inspector. B. Guard Duty. C. AWS Shield. Or D. CloudTrail. The correct option is A. Amazon Inspector. Question 3. Which AWS feature provides fine-grained permission control in IAM policies? A. IAM groups. B. Resource-based policies. C. IAM roles. Or D. IAM policy conditions. The correct option is D. IAM policy conditions. Question 4. Which AWS service provides automated discovery and classification of sensitive data in S3? A. Amazon Macie. B. AWS Audit Manager. C. AWS Config. Or D. AWS Glue. The correct option is A. AWS Macie. Question 5. Which AWS security service provides managed DDoS protection with advanced attack mitigation? A. AWS WAF. B. AWS Shield Advanced. C. AWS Firewall Manager. Or D. Guard Duty. The correct option is B. AWS Shield Advanced. Question 6. Which AWS service centrally manages WAF rules, shield protections, and security policies? A. AWS Firewall Manager. B. AWS Config. C. Trusted Advisor. Or D. Security Hub. The answer is A. AWS Firewall Manager. Question 7. Which AWS service aggregates findings from multiple security services into central dashboard? A. AWS Guard Duty. B. AWS Security Hub. C. Amazon Inspector. Or D. AWS Audit Manager. The correct option is B. AWS Security Hub. Question 8. Which AWS service continuously monitors IAM access keys for anomalies and misuse? A. AWS IAM Access Analyzer. B. AWS Config. C. AWS Macie. Or D. AWS Audit Manager. And the correct option is A. AWS IAM Access Analyzer. Question 9. Which AWS service can provide secure credential storage and automatic rotation for applications? A. AWS Secrets Manager. B. AWS Config. C. AWS SSM Parameter Store. Or D. AWS IAM. The correct option is A. AWS Secrets Manager. Question 10. Which AWS service helps track all API activity across AWS accounts for auditing? A. CloudWatch. B. CloudTrail. C. Config. Or D. Trusted Advisor. The correct option is B. CloudTrail. Question 11. Which AWS service offers a managed web application firewall for filtering malicious requests? A. AWS Shield. B. AWS WAF. C. Amazon Inspector. Or D. AWS Guard Duty. The correct option is B. AWS WAF. Question 12. Which AWS feature allows enforcing service control policies across multiple AWS accounts? A. AWS config rules. B. AWS organizations. C. IAM policies. Or D. Trusted advisor. The correct option is B. AWS organizations. Question 13. Which AWS service provides compliance evidence for audits like ISO and SOC reports? A. AWS Artifact. B. AWS Audit Manager, C. Trusted Advisor, or D. Security Hub? The correct option is A. AWS Artifact. Question 14. Which AWS service allows creating automated account-wide compliance checks using custom rules? A. AWS Config, B. CloudTrail, C. Trusted Advisor, or D. Guard Duty? The correct option is A. AWS Config. Question 15. Which AWS service allows secure and scalable private certificate issuance? A. AWS KMS, B. AWS Private CA, C. AWS Certificate Manager, or D. AWS Secrets Manager? The correct option is B. AWS Private CA. That's the end of day 11. Share your score in the comments and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more upcoming quizzes.